In this video, I'll show you how to create a landing page with Weebly for free. But to do this, you need a Weebly account or a Weebly website. I'll drop a tutorial link in the description. It's gonna show you how to create a Weebly account and to create a Weebly website. Alright, so up right here, click on my site and click add site. So what kind of website will you like to create? I just need a website. I need a website with an online store. We need just a website. So select a theme. Okay, under business you have all these themes that you can work with. Remember, you can use any of these themes and you can change it into whatever you want. Okay, but I'm just showing you the themes that they have. All right, you check this one. All right, check event. I'm just showing you quick, just so you know the kind of themes they have. This is awesome. This is for bloggers. Okay, and coming soon page, and this is also simple. All right, and order. All right, they have beautiful themes. Okay, but to create a landing page, we can use any of these. Okay, let's check portfolio. Normally portfolio is simple. All right, so we can use this or that. So let's try this. So we're gonna have to erase a whole bunch of stuff here that we don't need, because we need something simple. All right, so to do so, you click on start editing. All right, so before you click, so whenever you click start editing, you'll be presented with this. That's if you want to add a domain and stuff like that. But in our case, we are not using domain, we are using the Weebly subdomain, okay, which is free. Okay, so we're gonna X out. All right, so now we can edit anything in here. We're gonna erase a whole bunch of stuff and we're gonna create something simple for ourselves. All right, so now we're gonna have to delete individual pages that we don't want. So we click on pages, adventure, then we delete it because we don't want that. Okay, so now adventure is gone. Then we click on my story, then we delete it. All right, you see how this one says home? You can even change it. So double click. So when I'm doing landing pages on this, what I'll do, I'll just type dash. Okay, and click outside the box. So now you don't even see it. Okay, then you come back to build. All right, so this is my site. This is kind of your logo or your site name, but in this case we don't want any of it, so we're gonna click off, because all we want is a landing page. Okay, and landing page should look clean. All right, so now we're gonna edit this. Okay, we're gonna move it up a bit. Don't want this, so I'm gonna just delete it. So click on the X and delete. I'll add a different title here. Okay, even this one I don't want it, I'll delete it. And I'll type alright, the Great Pizza Secret Book. Highlight, bold. Okay, then we can minimize it, increase a bit. Okay, this look good. And okay, so delete this here. All right, then we type. All right, so highlight everything. And that's white for you. All right, so you're gonna scroll down and this we don't want it. Okay, delete. Alright, so this image look too big, so I'm gonna reduce the size. So you click inside here and not on this one. Okay, so on this, then you drag, see, then it's just moving everything up. Okay, so we keep it simple like that. I don't want this spacer thing. I'm gonna delete it. Okay, now what? Okay, now I'm gonna change the background. Okay, so to do so, you double click on the image, edit background, replace image, then click on here. Alright, when it's done, then you click save. Okay, alright, so now I can change the color to black or green or whatever. Okay, I'll make this green. Let's see how it's gonna look. No, I'll go for black. Let's see. Alright, but let's make it okay bold. I wish I can give it different color, so let's try. Does it have blue? Okay, let's try blue. Okay, so I'm gonna make it like a really awesome blue. Okay, so something like that. You can play with it. Okay, you can play with it and change it to whatever you want. Black. Okay, that has a lot of colors, so it's not making this bright, but just to show you how it works. Okay, so this we don't want it. I'm gonna click and remove. Alright, so if you are doing email marketing and let's say you have Aweber and you have the HTML code, you just drag this and put it in here. Okay, now it's gonna ask you to customize it with your HTML code, so you just double click, edit custom, then you drop the HTML code here. Okay, so that's how you do that. So I'll show you another option. Alright, but if you want just a button, you just drag the button and you just drop it here. Alright, then you click on the button, then you center it, then you add the link wherever you want them to go, you just add the link. Okay, so when you drop the link, then you click outside the box. When you click, you just click outside the box like that. All right, and okay, so to change, okay, the bottom text, you can, okay, let me just move this thing, so you can say it's a bottom text, you can change it to get the book. All right, then you click outside the box, then the text change. Okay, so this is the color of the button. I believe if you have a premium version, you'll get other options. All right, so let's try and add a message in between here. So to add a message, all right, so let me add some dummy text. I'll do half of this, click here and paste it. Okay, then I'm gonna center. All right, So you can write whatever you want just to, you know, make people click on your link. All right, so I'll show you another option. So you click this and you delete it. Okay, so if you want the contact form, okay, so this is your contact form. So with this, you don't want comment, so you're gonna delete the comment because this is affiliate marketing. One thing I realized also is that, like, let's say you want just the first name but you don't want last name. I find it really hard to believe that they don't give you the option to do so. All right, so that means you have to collect first and last name, which people hesitate to do so. To me, it's better to delete this unless this is for blog. Okay, if it's for blog, most of the people, they are okay. All right, so you click form options, then the name of the form, you can change the name and you can call it. So Weebly will keep the Gmail email address that you use to sign up, but if you have Aweber or other email marketing platform, I know you're gonna set up everything, and like I show you the HTML, that's everything gonna, you know, be embedded inside. Then confirmation and the link. Okay, if you want to send them after they click submit, where do you want to send them to? Standard page, product page, blog post, phone. All right, so most of the time it's gonna be a specific link for people to go by. All right, so then you drop your link here and you click outside the box. Okay, let's change this to so now we need to add the disclaimer links, especially if you're gonna be doing ads. Okay, so to do so, we're gonna grab a text, then we drop it right under submit. Okay, so I want spacing or divider. I'm gonna highlight this, so our type. So what you do, you're gonna go to the page that you want to promote, then the privacy, the terms of use and disclaimer, you go back there. So let's say, for example, this is the page. You're gonna right click the privacy policy, and what I'm about to do, you do it for all three. So you copy the link address, then you then you go back, highlight just that section, click it, then you click here. Okay, then you drop the link. All right, so when you drop the link, the color gonna change. I don't want to drop it, but that's how you do it. Okay, after that, then you publish it. Okay, then you copy the link. Okay, you right click, copy, then that will be the link that you're gonna be promoting. Okay, this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.